before I get into the Suchanas of what the Adesh that Balreddy has given, I want to introduce two people. One is the publisher of these two books. Samvit Prakashan is the publishing outfit about 2 years old, and it emerged out of Samvit Kendra, which was our research center that we established in somewhere about 2014. So, Sri Vidyadhar ji, he is the director of Samvit Prakashan. एक बार अभिनंदन उनका करेंगे. For bringing out these books from the Prakashan. And Sri Balreddy ji is the joint secretary of Samvit Kendra, which is a research wing. So the translation work that we are taking up now in the form of these publications, they are basically the engine behind these translations are three organizations. One is Samvit Kendra. Then we have our Vishwa Samvad Kendra, which is our Samachara Bharati Vishwa Samvad Kendra. And the third is Center for South Indian Studies. These three organizations are also forums in which all of you can participate in forms of where you can translate vice versa. Somebody can translate from English to Telugu, Telugu to Hindi, Hindi and to Telugu, whatever language you want. And like I met somebody today morning in the Lit Fest there, he is a scholar in French. He is doing French to Marathi. So there is so much of literature across the world, and people are they have exposure to different languages also. A lot of this literature which has references to Bharat or which can resonate with Bharat's issues. Those issues also have to be brought out in multi languages. The overall corpus of literature that is there in Bharat today, whatever I have realized in when we are celebrating this Swatantrata Amrit Mahotsav, is that when the Britishers they started this whole conspiracy of which Rabindranath Tagore ji, he called it as an Amulagra Akraman, which is a Samagra Akraman. There were invasions earlier, but this invasion of the Britishers was an integrated attack on the Indian society, which attacked not only our society, our ethos, our culture, our literature. So there was so much of material that was developed that the society, basically the Hindu society here, it got confused. And what you will notice when you read literature of the early, let's say from 1890s onwards, from Swami Vivekananda onwards, or Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa's teachings, from there you will see that whether it is Sri Aurobindo or it is Vivekananda himself, Lala Hardayal, you have Lala Lajpat Rai, Dadabhai Nauroji, they all have used the same language. They have learned English and they have gone through these materials. One huge contribution was by Dharampal, who went to England after just one statement by Gandhiji. When Gandhiji went to the Round Table Conference, when he was speaking there, he told that we had a beautiful tree of education and we destroyed it. Dharampal took that one line and he went to England, went through all the documents there, and he established with proper research that the education system what was the education system of Bharat before the British came. So there is so much of material in that period of 1890 to 1920. Huge corpus of how a narrative can be built was made by Veer Savarkar. So I think these 20 to 25 years, I would request all of us to invest. All these books are there in print form today. You can, I won't want to market in the shop, but you can also find them there. But there are a lot of free books also, PDFs are available. So this is a big investment that all of us must make. In our own native languages also there will be material. To read to those 25-30 years of material. So that I think from a literary perspective, what we want to achieve from Golconda Literary Festival that has been started today morning, that is a primary work. So in any form, where you can make posters, you can write articles, you want to make you want to do translations, any form in which you can contribute, please volunteer. You can meet any of them and they will. We have Aradhana ji also here. She is our executive member for Samachara Bharati, and she is also instrumental in these translations. She is also the backbone for our entire IT infrastructure of all these websites that we are running. So please be in touch with any of these three to contribute. There are couple of things from the inputs that we got from Ratanji and Rakaji and Saiji. One is this project that all of them have talked about, also in the Hyderabad project. So narrative building is not a simple exercise. It takes years, it takes a lot of funding also. And you know how Majlis is funding, so I don't want to, how Majlis is funded is open secret. But unfortunately, we don't find the same threat perception in our society, right? So there are some projects that we want to take up, whether it is the documentation on the temples of Hyderabad, the Bhaginagar temples. Like he was mentioning about Panjakuta, there are so many bags here, Sitaram Bagh, Ram Bagh. They were all areas where the Hindus were protected. Right, so what happened during that time requires some personal intervention. We need to go there, take some photographs, we have to do some geotagging, interact with people there, get the temple history. This kind of work also is a project that we must invest in. So Samvita and CSIS both are working towards this direction. The second part was on the Ratanji, what he mentioned about the sacrifices that some of the Swayamsevaks have made. And who are still, we just visited, we went to Northeast Tripura for about 4-5 days to further as a Vanayatra along with Banwasi Kalyana. Just visiting and seeing the work that they are doing there itself is an eye-opener. The place, we went to the place where these 4 Karyakartas were kidnapped and they were killed. It is from there to go to the village. There is only one boy who was there during that vacation and he went all the way 2 kilometers down to come back even today. So I suggest that when you have time to go for a vacation, please talk to our Karyakartas here. Go and visit those places and it will really be an eye-opener about the kind of work our Karyakartas are putting there. It will also help us to, all this discussion on social media today, whether it's a triad or a raita, these kind of words are in vogue. When we go there and see there and then we talk about what it means, what is food, what are the food habits, why did they become like that, what do they eat, why do they eat what they eat. These things will give us a lot of perspective when we are interacting in social media also. This is my humble submission to all of you. Finally, the Golconda Literary Festival, Golconda Sahiti Mahotsav. This is inaugurated today morning by our Honorable Governor of Haryana, Bandar Dattatreya ji, and the Cultural Minister Kishan Reddy was also there. Our Bhagaya ji, he gave a keynote address today morning. This event is there for 2 days, tomorrow also. We have different panel discussions on literature, on the freedom movement, unsung heroes. So tomorrow there are 2 panel discussions in the morning. Post lunch, there are 2 sessions tomorrow. One is for young writers, people who want to write or who are already writing. They can come and participate tomorrow. This is at Keshav Memorial College, Narayanagooda. It's at 2:30 to 4 o'clock is the young writers workshop or interaction session, and 4:30 we have the valedictory session by our Akhil Bharatiya Prachar Pramukh. He will be the keynote speaker, and the Vice Chancellor of Motihari Central University, Bihar. They will be speaking tomorrow. So the last 2 sessions there will be Hindi, English also. If you are concerned about what language it will be, so please do visit. Don't feel hesitant to come there. Maybe it will be all Telugu also. So you can come there. There is a very wonderful exhibition, photo exhibition there of Telugu heroes who contributed for the freedom struggle, but put up by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. And there is a book exhibition also there about the freedom struggle. There are about 200 books there we have put up. There will be an award function for we ran a contest also, so the award function will also be there. So you can encourage the young writers by coming there in the numbers that we are here today. Thank you so much.